English is correct, but these 10 small mistakes instantly reveal that you're not fluent.
Even if my grammar is right?
Yes, because fluency isn't just about correctness, it's about sounding natural, confident, and effortless.
So I might be speaking correctly, but still not sounding fluent?
Exactly, and that's the problem most learners never realize.
That's a bit scary.
It is, but today, we fix it. I'll show you 10 common English mistakes you probably use every day, and more importantly, how to upgrade them instantly.
So this is practical, not theory.
Completely practical, and stay till the end. We'll practice together so your brain actually remembers and starts using them automatically. Let's start with something very common. Imagine you skipped lunch.
Happens almost every day.
So you say, I am very hungry.
Yes, that's what I say.
It's correct, but it sounds basic. A fluent speaker would say, I'm starving.
That sounds stronger.
Exactly. Fluent English is expressive, not just correct. Now upgrade this. I am very tired.
I'm exhausted.
Perfect. After a long working day, exhausted sounds natural and real. Next situation. Someone explains something complicated.
I usually say, I don't understand.
That's fine, but try this. I'm not following, or that's unclear.
That feels smoother.
Yes, and it sounds more conversational. Now imagine you just got great news.
I say, I am very happy.
Upgrade?
I'm thrilled.
Excellent. That's exactly how native speakers react. Last one. Busy schedule, nonstop work.
I am very busy.
Say, I'm swamped, or I'm tied up.
That sounds more real life.
Exactly. Here's the rule. Stop using very plus adjective. Replace it with one powerful word.
That makes speech shorter and stronger.
And that's what fluency sounds like. Simple, natural, and impactful. Now let's move to daily conversation mistakes. This is where most learners lose fluency.
This is exactly where I struggle.
Good. That means this will help you the most. Scenario. Someone calls you while you're working.
I say, I will call you back.
Correct. But a fluent speaker says, I'll get back to you.
That sounds smoother.
Yes, because it's how people actually speak. Next, your friend is walking fast ahead of you.
I say, wait for me.
Instead, say, hold on, or hang on.
That feels more natural.
Exactly. Now, someone is speaking too softly. Upgrade this. Speak louder.
Could you speak up?
Perfect. It's polite and fluent. Now, a very common mistake. Return back.
I use that a lot.
You don't need back. Return already includes that meaning.
So just return.
Yes, same with discuss about.
Oh, I say that too.
Just say discuss. Remove unnecessary words.
That makes it cleaner.
Exactly. Clean English equal to fluent English. Last one. Do one thing.
I use that in every conversation.
Replace it with, here's what you can do.
That sounds more professional.
And more natural in global communication. Here's the truth. Most learners never fix these small mistakes.
That's why they don't sound fluent?
Exactly. It's not about big grammar rules. It's these tiny habits.
So, fluency is built from small corrections.
Yes, fix these and your English changes instantly. Now let's lock this in with practice. Now we move to quick practice. I'll say a sentence, you upgrade it instantly.
Let's do it.
I am very hungry.
I'm starving.
Good, faster. I am very tired.
I'm exhausted.
I don't understand.
I'm not following.
Speak louder.
Could you speak up?
Return back.
Return.
Perfect. Now again, faster without thinking. I am very busy.
I'm swamped.
Wait for me.
Hold on.
I am very happy.
I'm thrilled.
Excellent. What's happening now?
I'm not translating. It's coming naturally.
Exactly. That's fluency, not thinking, just responding. And this only happens with repetition.
I can feel the difference already.
Good. That means your brain is adapting. Now, final round. Quick answers. I am very hungry.
I'm starving.
I am very tired.
I'm exhausted.
I am very happy.
I'm thrilled.
Speak louder.
Could you speak up?
Wait for me.
Hold on.
I will call you back.
I'll get back to you.
Discuss about.
Discuss.
Perfect. Now your turn. Create one sentence.
I am very busy with work.
Upgrade.
I'm swamped with work.
Excellent. One more.
I don't understand this topic.
Upgrade.
I'm not following this topic.
Perfect. This is how you practice. Short, fast, daily.
It feels simple.
It is simple, but only if you do it consistently. Fluency is not about learning more. It's about improving what you already know.
That's a powerful idea.
And if you follow this method daily, your speaking will improve faster than you expect. If you want to sound fluent, stop using basic English patterns and start upgrading your sentences.
These small changes really improve confidence.
Exactly. Practice daily until it becomes automatic.
I will.
Remember, fluency is not about perfection. It's about natural expression.
That makes it easier.
Keep learning step by step, stay consistent, and your English will improve faster than you imagine. And don't forget, practice these sentences today itself.